I've been racking my brains thinking what I want to know at your age. Maybe the winning lottery numbers, or I either be rich or go or find my tribe, or find that thing or that person makes my heart sing, or whether anything I do will ever matter. But even though you're finding things tough, when people only ever seem to ask, why do you walk funny? Why do you talk funny? When are you going to get better? I won't rob you of that journey. It will shape you. It will make you resilient and prepared for the chances to come. As we realise we need to change, to innovate, reuse and remodel, so we can help the refugees that pull across the border, but it isn't enough. You can hear the whispers, the murmurs, the echoes that come down from the past, saying that you and everyone like you should maybe, possibly, divinely look into fixing yourself, making yourself better. Which is responsible and sensible, something you can do. So you can go back to the hospital where they poke and prod and send you for more tests before giving you a date for an operation that is fundamentally change who you are. This is brilliant and totally the right thing to do. But something doesn't feel right. It actually feels quite wrong, because who you will be without this imperfect body of yours, without its quirks and its kinks and its mind of its own. So you need to say no. Choose not to be fixed. May normal, whatever normal is. Because as we become less fixed to one place, less materialistic, less obsessed with the body beautiful, we seek out the weirdos, the oddbots, the misfits, the dreamers to help heal the world. To shake the sickness, to find cures for cancer, for dementia. I envy the journey ahead of you to live it again. The things you see, the people you meet, the lives you change, and how you can change as you come to accept who you are. Our journey starts now by knowing that you will find your place in this world. You will find your tribe and keep the world turning. You know that you are doing your bit.